Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best soccer pump is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for any serious soccer player or enthusiast, ensuring your ball is always game ready and performing at its peak, because a deflated ball can ruin a great game and hinder your performance on the field, making this simple tool a true game changer for practice and matches alike. Number 5. Franklin Ball Maintenance Kit. Never let a flat ball stop the game again. This versatile pump is designed to quickly and easily inflate all your favorite sports balls, from basketballs to soccer balls and everything in between. Get started immediately with the included inflation needles. This all-in-one kit comes with everything you need, so you can inflate your balls right out of the box. Keep everything organized and ready for action. The included carry bag neatly stores the pump, needles, and hose, making it easy to take anywhere. Ensure optimal performance in any condition. The integrated air pressure gauge allows you to inflate your balls to the perfect level for consistent play. Bringing your sports balls back to life is effortless. Simply attach the hose, insert the needle, and inflate in seconds to get the game started. What we like. This kit is perfect for anyone who needs to inflate a variety of sports balls. It comes with everything you need, including multiple needles and a convenient carry bag. If you're looking for a complete, all-in-one solution for all your sports ball inflation needs, this is the one for you. What people say. The pump is easy to use and inflates balls quickly. It comes with multiple needles, which is convenient. The pump is durable and has a good grip. Number 4. SPORTBIT Ball Pump with 5 Needle Set. Introducing the SPORTBIT Ball Pump, designed for effortless inflation. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for all your sports ball needs. Experience efficient inflation with our innovative push and pull system. It delivers air on both the push and pull strokes, making it faster to get your balls ready for play. Tired of bent needles? This pump features a flexible needle adapter designed to prevent bending, ensuring durability and reliable performance. Crafted with a comfort soft silicone mold, it fits perfectly in your hand and won't slip, even during vigorous use. Enjoy a secure and comfortable pumping experience. Ideal for volleyballs, basketballs, soccer balls, and more. This versatile pump is your go-to tool for keeping all your sports equipment properly inflated. Please note that this pump is not suitable for large exercise or yoga balls, nor is it compatible with specialty valve types. It's designed for standard sports balls. What we like. This pump offers a comfortable grip and an efficient dual-action inflation system. It's designed to protect the needle from bending, making it more durable. If you prioritize comfort and a pump that's built to last, especially for frequent use, this is a great choice. What people say. The pump is very easy to use and inflates balls quickly. It comes with multiple needles, so you always have a spare. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Number 3. SPORTBIT Ball Pump with 5 Needle Set. Introducing the SPORTBIT Ball Pump, designed for effortless inflation of your sports balls. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for all your pumping needs. Experience our unique push and pull air delivery system. It inflates on both the push and pull strokes, making it incredibly efficient for exercise balls, volleyballs, and basketballs. Worried about bent needles? This pump features a soft needle adapter that flexes, significantly reducing the risk of bending and ensuring longevity. Crafted with a comfort soft silicone mold, it provides a secure, non-slip grip. You can pump with confidence, knowing it will stay firmly in your hand. Perfect for volleyballs, basketballs, soccer balls, and footballs. This versatile tool comes with a set of 5 needles to meet all your inflation requirements. Please note that this pump is not suitable for large exercise or yoga balls, nor is it compatible with specialty valve types. It's designed for standard sports ball valves. What we like. This pump features an ergonomic design for a comfortable grip and a push-pull system for faster inflation. It's also engineered to reduce needle bending, ensuring longevity. If you're looking for a comfortable and durable pump that makes inflation quick and easy, consider this option. What people say. This soccer pump is very easy to use and inflates balls quickly. It comes with multiple needles, so you always have a spare. The pump is lightweight and portable, making it convenient to carry around. Number 2. Sport Stable Dual Action Ball Pump. Tired of spending too much time inflating your sports balls? Our innovative pump uses dual action technology to push air in on both the push and pull strokes. This means you can get your ball fully inflated in under 30 pumps, so you can get back in the game faster. Never get caught without a needle again. This pump comes with 5 inflation needles that store securely inside the pump body. It's compatible with all your favorite sports balls, including soccer balls, basketballs, and footballs. This pump is designed to be incredibly portable. At just 9 inches and weighing only 4.4 ounces, it easily fits into any bag. Take it to every game, practice, or road trip without any hassle. Say goodbye to wobbly needles and air leaks. Our pump features a screw-fit mechanism that locks the needle securely in place. This ensures all the air goes directly into your ball, providing a reliable inflation every time. Forget about batteries and charging. This pump is completely manual, so it's always ready when you are. No more dead batteries or waiting for a charge on game day. Just pick it up and inflate. What we like. Experience twice the speed with its dual-action technology, inflating balls in fewer pumps. The needle screws in securely, preventing air leaks. If you need to get back to the game quickly and value a reliable, fast, and leak-free inflation, this pump is an excellent pick. What people say. This soccer pump is very durable and has a good grip. The needles included with the pump are high quality and do not bend easily. It is easy to use and inflate soccer balls quickly. Number 1. HDNNC Portable Ball Pump. Introducing the HDNNC Portable Ball Pump, your go-to solution for keeping your sports equipment perfectly inflated. It's designed for a wide range of applications, making it incredibly versatile. This package comes with everything you need: the pump itself, a flexible hose, and multiple needles and nozzles. You'll be ready to inflate basketballs, footballs, volleyballs, and more right out of the box. Its user-friendly design makes it easy for anyone to use, including children. The included tapered nozzle is perfect for inflatable toys and balloons, making it a great gift for kids. Beyond sports balls, it's also ideal for inflating swim rings, beach balls, and even inflatable pillows. You can rely on it for all your inflation needs. Designed to be light and small, it's incredibly convenient to carry. It easily fits into any backpack or sports bag, ensuring you always have it when you need it. We are confident in our product's quality. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, please reach out to us. We are committed to providing you with excellent service. What we like. This portable inflator is incredibly versatile, suitable for a wide range of items beyond just sports balls. It comes with a hose and multiple nozzles for different inflation needs. If you need a lightweight and adaptable pump for various inflatables, including toys and swim rings, this is a fantastic and convenient option. What people say. This pump is great for inflating soccer balls quickly and efficiently. It comes with multiple needles, so you always have a spare. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making it easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.